Are you looking to build a brand on Amazon but you don't know where to start on how to find that first product or how to find that second and that third product? Well, in this video I'm going to be breaking down the easiest and most simple technique on building a brand around your first product, so stay tuned. What's up guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Trevor Peterson. I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller and I'm really excited to bring to you guys today's video in regards to building a brand, and more specifically in regards to building off of that first product. So finding the second and third product that relates to your first. So it's a super easy technique. It's completely free. There's two different ways I'm going to show you step by step inside my screen on how to find that second and third product so that you guys can build something that's not just one product, that's not just something that's going to be around for a couple months, but more long term. So we're going to be building a brand and I'm going to help you find your second, third, and fourth product. So before we dive into that, I want to welcome everyone that is new to the channel. And what we do here is talk about the newest and most up-to-date strategies when it comes to selling on Amazon. And just to show you guys that I'm a current Amazon seller, that I'm facing the same problems as you, let's dive into my seller account and see how we're doing for the day. And I'm just going to pull it up, and as you guys can see, just under $30,000 for the last 30 days, and for the day just under 500. So hopefully we'll hit that 30,000 by the end of the day. And I show you guys just to let you guys know that I'm facing the same problems as you, and that's why I have this channel, is to help you guys not have to deal with the same problems that I deal with on a daily basis. So if you guys want to stay up to date on techniques and strategies when it comes to selling on Amazon, then please go down and smash that subscribe button so that you guys can stay up to date with Amazon in 2019. So let's dive into the video where we're going to talk about how to create a legitimate brand and find that second and third product. So we'll see you inside. Alright, so here we are inside of Amazon.com, and what we're going to do to find our second and third product to build a legitimate brand is we need to go in and find our top competitor. And just on a side note, this technique is also going to work to help you find your first product. So even if you haven't found a product, you might want to watch this video just so that you guys can get other ideas on new product research techniques, okay? But what I'm tailoring this video to is more specifically finding that second and third product, but it still works finding your first, okay? So let's go back and we search bow scrunchies. This is the product that I'm looking to sell. And what we're going to do, like I was saying, is find our top competitor. We're gonna find 2 or 3 of them. So how to do that is we search our main keyword, then we go to the Helium 10 X-ray Chrome extension. We're going to pull up and we're going to see how much in revenue these different sellers are doing, and we need to find sellers that are doing the highest number in revenue. So right here we see that this seller is doing 14,000, so they have some experience. They're obviously doing something right, and maybe there's something that we can do and we can learn from them. So that's basically this strategy, is we're trying to learn from our competition. So here's another one doing 10,000. Here's another one doing 7. So this one is the Willing Tea, the other one is Sim Nice, and the other one is Furling Pom Poms. So let's go in and click on the first one, which is Willing Tea. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to take me to their page. And what we're going to do is come over here where it says in stock sold by, and we're actually going to click on the company's name. So click on the company name, and then we can go to products, and then it's going to show us all the products that this seller is currently selling. So to basically find potential products, we're going to then pull the Chrome extension on the products that they're selling and see what's doing well, what's not doing too well, what has a lot of reviews and what doesn't. So those are the 2 things that I'm going to be looking at, is the review count and then the revenue. So we'll look at this one. I mean, this one has 236 reviews. They're doing 15,000. I probably don't want to go in and try to compete against this seller because they're already doing so well and they have a ton of reviews, so they already have the credibility. But what I'm looking for is something that has lower amounts of reviews. So like this one has 12, this one has only 3, and they're doing 2,500 a month. This one, they're doing 5,000 a month, and they don't have a ton of reviews. This one, they have 9 reviews, and they're doing just under 1,000. So the reason why I'm looking at the reviews and the revenue is if they don't have a ton of reviews but they're still producing good revenue, that kind of hints to me that there's a potential market that's not too competitive, that's not too saturated, and you don't need to have 5 million reviews to compete with the top sellers. Now, it may be the complete opposite, where this guy is just getting the low-hanging fruit and he's the smallest seller in that particular niche, but that's where you need to go in and actually dive in and look into these products, search the different keywords, pull the Chrome extension on the products that we're finding. So for example, this one that has 3 reviews, it's the Willing Tee 15 piece, or let's look at this one, the No Slip Grip Metal Barrettes for toddler girls, teens. So you could go in and actually search metal snap hair clips, and maybe that particular product has potential, or it gives you another idea to then sell off of the product that you are already selling, which is the bow scrunchies. So this just basically is opening up your mind and seeing what other products are related to that first one that you're selling. Because if this guy, I mean, he's building a legitimate brand, Willing Tee, around these bow scrunchies. He has hair clips, he has hair ties, he has different headbands. So these are different products that you could go in and look into selling. That could be your potential second and your third product. Okay, so that's the first technique. And I'm not going to go in and actually dive in and see how well these products are performing. I'm just trying to give you guys the gist and the main idea of it is find low reviews, decent amount of revenue, then you're going to go in and actually search for this specific product in Amazon, search for the main keyword, and then you can see how competitive it is and see if there's an opportunity for you to start selling. So that's the first technique, okay? So basically go in, find your top competitor, see what they're selling, see if they're selling something that isn't too competitive, isn't too saturated, and see what you can do to then create something better and different and unique to then compete with your competition. So that's the first one. So for the second technique, what we're going to do is go back to Amazon, search our main keyword, which is bow scrunchies, and again find our top competitor. So for this example, I'm just going to use the same competitor that was doing like 14,000, the Willing Tee, and you're going to copy their ASIN. And if you don't have Helium 10, you're not going to have the ASIN show right there, and you're going to have to click on the product and scroll down to the product details and find the ASIN, or you can go right here and copy the ASIN. But once you have the ASIN, you're going to go over to what's called yasiv.com. You need to hit I'm Not a Robot, select books, and hit all, and then you paste the ASIN into Yasiv, and basically what it's going to do is it's going to find similar and related products to this particular ASIN. So if I bought this product, I'm prone, or I bought this product, and you'll see as the graph develops, and it's going in and it's finding a ton of different products. And once this loads, sorry, it's not loading, I need to go back, and it's going to start pulling in a bunch of different products. So as you guys can see, 71, 81, and it's just going to go through and find a ton of different products that are similar to this particular listing. So that's why we're trying to find our top competitor, because they're selling well, and the more sales that they're doing, the more products that are going to come up. So as you guys can see, you have your main product, and then it shows and branches off into 5 million different products. So you basically can go through and look at this graph and see, well, they bought this scrunchie, they're also going to buy these hair clips, these snap hair clips. They bought these snap hair clips, they're also looking to buy these, I don't even know what these are, mini hair claw clip for your bangs. And then you have some more elastics, you have some necklaces, you have right here you have some cat ear hair clips as well. So it gives you some different ideas of other products that you could sell that is related to your first one. So for example, if I'm selling bow ear scrunchies, why not sell cat ear clips? Okay, so then what I would do is I would go in and I can open this up in a new tab, and it pulls this particular listing, and I can see how well this product is doing. So I can go in and I can search cat ear hair clips, barrettes, and then I'm going to go to Amazon and I'm going to hit search, and then it's going to pull up all these different particular products, and then I'm going to pull the Chrome extension, see how competitive the product is, and see if there's an opportunity. And if there's not an opportunity for this particular niche, then I can go back to Yosef and see what else is available. So revenue 1,000, 2,000, 1,200. The review count is super low, so it's not very competitive when it comes to this niche, and that's a perfect second product that you could add on. It's not something that's going to make you thousands of dollars every single month, but if you can launch a product that's not competitive and make an extra $1,000, $2,000, an extra $500, $800 profit, you slowly start adding to your brand, and then you start building brand awareness, and that builds more credibility. So that's basically what you're looking at doing with Yosef, and then also going in and looking at your top competitor is just finding products that you can add on. They don't have to be home run products. They don't have to be selling $10, $20, $50,000 every single month. If you can find a product that's not competitive, that's doing 1,000, 2,000, why not add it into your catalog? And you add a few products like that, and before you know it, you're making $5,000, $8,000 profit because you're adding these simple products along with your main product, which is those bunny ear scrunchies. So that's basically the whole concept and process of it. I mean, you could go through and you could pull up more products. I mean, right here, the Lolly Pony Pick, you could go in and search this. Here's another one, 6-piece headband, vintage stripe hairband for women. So I mean, it just gives you a ton of other options that are related to your bunny ear scrunchies. So if people are buying this, they're likely to buy this as well. So that fits your brand perfectly. And it just makes it easier. It breaks it down. So all you need to do is literally find the ASIN of your competition, go to Yosef, search it up, and it's going to pull up an entire graph of different product ideas. And like I was saying, even if you don't have your first product, you can find products this way. Is you just go find a good product, someone that's selling well, enter in their ASIN in Yosef, or go to their products and basically see what they're selling and see what other people are buying that are similar. And then that may give you a product idea to then start selling. So these two strategies work whether you're trying to build a brand or you're just trying to find your first product. It just gets your mind thinking. It opens up the doors to hundreds of new product ideas, and you can then go in and actually dive in to see if this particular scrunchie set does well or if this scrunchie set does better. And you'll also see some kind of random products thrown in there, so you don't want to sell like a shaving kit for along with your scrunchie brand, but you may want to sell these elastic hair ties or these butterfly hair clips. So it just basically shows you a bunch of other products. So what I would recommend is find your top competitor, find 2 or 3 of them, go see what products they're selling, dive deep, find some potential products, do a little bit more research. I mean, I just did kind of a brief research. I mean, you need to go into a lot more depth than what I did, but if I was to go into depth like I normally do when I'm launching a product, the video would be a couple hours. So you need to go in, search other keywords, see how competitive the product is. You can also use Helium-10. In my other videos, I show you how to check Cerebro, Magnet 2, checking the keywords, how competitive it is. I mean, there's a lot more that goes into it, but this is just going to get your guys's, get some ideas of potential products that you can add to your catalog. Okay, so that's why I love this technique. It's just different, it's unique. This tool is completely free, and basically to check if a product is, to find a potential product, all you need is your computer and then the Chrome extension to make sure that the revenues are good, it's not too competitive, there's not too many reviews, and it's fairly straightforward. So that's why I like this technique, and I hope that you guys really take advantage of it, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, I'd love to hear your experience in the comments down below if you guys found a potential product or if you found a product that you're looking to sell using this technique. So let me know if you guys do. I really love hearing success stories, and I love when people tell me that my videos are helpful and they found value in them, and that's why I keep doing it. So I really appreciate you guys following along and supporting, and if you guys haven't subscribed, go down and hit the subscribe button so that you guys stay up to date on these new videos that I'm dropping. And also I want to announce the giveaway winner for the last week's $50, and I'm going to put it right here. Contact me on Instagram, and I will get you paid the $50 that I owe you via PayPal. So if you guys want a chance to win these $50 giveaways, you just need to subscribe, like the video, and leave a thumbs up, and it enters in for a chance to win these weekly $50 giveaways. So I want to say thanks again for watching. Like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you guys enjoyed and want to learn more, then don't forget to subscribe. So thanks again, and we will see you in the next video.